ॐ नमो भगवते सूर्याय नमः। ॐ नमो भगवते सूर्याय नमः। सूर्याय नमः आदित्याय नमः। सूर्याय नमः आदित्याय नमः। ॐ नमो भगवते सूर्याय नमः. The name of the song is Suryashtakam. Adideva namastubhyam prasida mama bhaskara divakara namastubhyam prabhakara namostute. Adideva namastubhyam prasida mama bhaskara divakara namastubhyam prabhakara namostute. सप्ताश्वरधारूढं प्रचण्डं कश्यपात्मजम्. உளிருண்டு வாழ்வாரே வாழ்வார் மற்றெல்லாம் தொழிலுண்டு பெண் செல்பவர். The meaning of this Tirukkural is farmers can make their food themselves and live their life happily and independent, but others will have to depend on farmers for their food.
Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. We celebrate 3 days of Pongal. The first day is Bogi Pongal. On this day, people clean their houses and remove unwanted old items and light a bonfire, burn old clothes and items. This means welcoming the new month of Thai and looking forward to the good moments and forgetting the bad, the old ones, and welcoming the new.
Pongal is celebrated as Makar Sankranti in North India. People take holy dip in confluence of river Ganga and Yamuna at Elavat in UP, and many of them also take holy dip at Ganga Sagar on that day. Makara Sankranti, celebrated in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana, are observed with social festivities as colorful decoration, rural children going to house, singing and asking for treats, dances, kite flying, bonfires, and feasts. Wishing you all a very happy Pongal and Makara Sankranti. Adideva namastubhyam prasida mama bhaskara divakara namastubhyam prabhakara namostute. Sapta asvaratharudam prachandam kasya patmajam sweta padmadharmam devam tam suryam pranamamyaham. Kannadiga farmers make sure to pray to the sun god, Surya, for giving sunlight to their crops and helping them grow. The first harvest is offered as a token to the god, as a way of thanking for the year-long protection and safekeeping.
In Punjab, this festival is called Lohri. In this, people lit up a campfire and they walk around it and sing traditional festive songs. They then do their traditional dance, Bhangra.
Pongal is celebrated as Mahag Bihu in Assam. There is a lot of festivals and eating in this Bihu celebration as the fields are full.
Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu and is celebrated by thanking the sun god for helping farmers get a better yield. It is a 3-day-long festival celebrated during the solar equinox after harvesting crops like rice, sugarcane, and turmeric.
Pongal, also referred to as Thai Pongal, is a 4-day harvest festival dedicated to Surya, the sun god, and is observed by the Tamil community. This festival is celebrated in the starting of the year. And it marks the end of winter solstice and the start of the sun's northward movement for the next 6 months when the sun enters the zodiac Makara. The 4 days of celebration are Bhogi Pongal,
Surya Pongal, Matu Pongal, and Kanum Pongal. It is celebrated on 14th of January every year.
In different parts of India, there are different names. For example, Sankranti, Makar Sankranti, Lohri, Baghi, and Bihu. Some ways people celebrate Pongal are they do kite flying, they do Surya Puja in a river, they do feasts, and they also put up fairs and put up ritual dances.
The word Pongal in Tamil means overflowing, which is just what the sweet dish Pongal does. This festival is celebrated with great importance by spreading the message of peace, prosperity, good health, good wishes, and fulfillment of desires. The timing of Pongal festival is when the sun transits into Makar Rashi in the month of January, which means the end of winter solstice and the beginning of longer and warmer days.
From the day of Makar Sankranti, the sun begins its northward journey or Uttarayan journey. Therefore, its festival is also known as Uttarayan in the state of Gujarat.
ओम जय सूर्य भगवान, जय हो दिनकर भगवान, जगत के नेत्र स्वरूपा तुम हो त्रिगुण स्वरूपा, धरत समाहि तब ध्यान। ओम जय सूर्य भगवान।
Kolam. On this day, people apply kolam or rangoli. First, they clean their doorstep neatly. Then they prepare the kolam maga. Then they apply the colorful kolam. Kolams are applied early in the morning.
United States. In United States, Pongal is celebrated on Thanksgiving, which is a festival for thanking God for the autumn harvest they got. They have a feast of many traditional dishes in their house. Oria. This moon festival is performed on 24th of September. Early on this morning, Koreans perform an ancestor worship ritual with an offer of food made of new crops to thank their ancestors for giving them good fortune. Singapore. In Singapore, people celebrate it on the beginning of the auspicious month called Thai. On the first day, called Bhogi Pongal, people discard their old belongings and buy a new one and start fresh. UK. In the UK, people do a small puja and celebrate with a good breakfast lunch that include sakara and sweets, pongal, vada and payasam.
One very common festival where we use mud pots is Pongal. Let us see some interesting facts and uses on a mud pot, also called a clay pot or an earthen pot. First, clay pots are porous in nature, which helps in cooling water. It is very helpful in digestion. In fact, it also prevents sunstrokes and treats a bad throat. Second, pots are also used as musical instruments called ghatams. Third, pots are also called as matkas.
The Sun's 6-month journey. In the simplest terms, it is exactly what it sounds like. The sun appearing at midnight in the middle of the night when the sky is normally a velvety blanket of darkness. The sun can clearly still be seen. At the North Pole, the sun is above the horizon for 6 straight months, March to September, spinning around in the horizontal circles, reaching a maximum height of 23.5 degrees above the horizon at the June solstice. Norway is called the Midnight Sun country. It is called that because the sun rises here with no gap of darkness.
Now we have some displays and columns made by students from grade 7. First, we have a display of Pongal by Harshita. Now we have
and next we have the display by Manasvi.
As we know that India is an agricultural country and the majority of the festivals are inclined towards nature, just like another festival, the Pongal is referred to as Uttarayan Punkalyam, which bears special significance in Hindu mythology and is considered extremely auspicious.
The festival is known as Khichdi in Uttar Pradesh and involves ritual bathing. Over 2 million people gather at their respective sacred places for this holy bath, such as Allahabad, Varanasi, and Haridwar. They eat sweets such as til and gur laddu. At some places, new clothes are worn on this day. Kite flying is an inevitable part of the festival in Uttar Pradesh.
Uttarayan, as Makara Sankranti is called in Gujarat, is a major festival in the state of Gujarat, which lasts for 2 days. Gujarati people keenly await this festival to fly kites called patang. The string often contains abrasives to cut down other people's kites. In Gujarat, from December through Makara Sankranti, people start enjoying Uttarayan.
Arul Selvam, Selvattal Selvam, Purul Selvam, Puriyar Kannum Ulla. The meaning of this Tirukural is, the wealth of kindness is the greatest of wealth, while the wealth of property is possessed by the basest of men.